Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you StarMaker, how to create a new ID without problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Creating a new StarMaker account without issues is a straightforward process. So to do it, first head over and open up your App Store. Then on the search bar type in StarMaker and look for an app icon like this after the search result loads. Then simply tap on the app and then tap on the Get button to simply download the app. Now once the app has been downloaded, tap on Open, and now on signing up, if you have already used a Google account, simply use Facebook instead, or you can use Apple ID instead to have no issues. Then once you have done with the process, all you gotta do is verify your account. Depending on your chosen sign-up method, you may need to verify your account via email or SMS. Then once done, all you gotta do is set up your profile, choose a unique username, upload a profile picture, and fill in any other required details. And once your account is set up, you can begin exporting songs, recording performances, and engaging with the company. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.